you're looking at premium robot vacuums right now and you're trying to figure out which one's actually next level, this one surprised me. I've tested out about 20 robot vacuums, several of which were over that $1,000 price range, and this one has impressed me so much. This one's the Dreame X60. It's the brand new robot vacuum combo from Dreame. Now, I went to Suzhou, China recently, and I got to see the Dreame factory. I got to see the X60 before it released, and I got to see Dreame's manufacturing process, so I can tell you that their commitment to quality and testing is unmatched. Now, that being said, when I first saw the X60 in China, I already had high expectations, but once I got this into my home and started testing it, now let's get into it. Here's what actually makes a difference on this thing. Now, I could talk about the specs of this thing all day long, but I'll try not to put you to sleep. First up, let's talk about suction power and cleaning performance. When this thing is on max suction, and that's not just marketing, you can see and hear the difference as this thing is pulling debris out of the carpet. Let's turn it over and take a look at these mop pads. Now, this one has the rotating mop pads. They come off by magnet, and actually this thing will drop its own mop pads when it's exploring the house, when it's mapping. It's so neat to see this thing leave its mop pads behind when it's mapping the house and then come back and pick them up when it's actually ready to clean. But on the mop pads themselves, because they're both magnetic, this one stays stationary, and this one, you see this little arm here? This one goes all the way out so it can be sure to get all the way to the edge. And then we have the same feature on this little dust sweeper. This thing is an arm, and again, it goes all the way out so it can get all the way to the edge. Sensors galore. Here's your rotating roller brushes down here. They are completely tangle free. I have yet to have anything tangled in this. 2 full weeks of solid testing. And I have little kids who leave toys everywhere. But if you do get something caught up in there, they're super easy to remove. Just like this, pops right out. You would clear your thing. That's the little hole where the debris will go up into the machine, and then you just put it right back, easy as can be. Click it back into place.
Mop pads installed.
Now, not only does this thing automatically wash and dry the mop pads, but it uses hot water and automatic drying, hot air drying. So when these things come off, they are completely dry every single time. They also give you several extras of the rollers, the little sweepers, the mop pads. They give you several extras of those in the kit. While we have it here, let's go ahead and take a look under the hood. This thing is obviously magnetic, but you've got a little filter right in here, and this is a little debris tray also, and that will also empty into your vacuum. I love this piece, especially because it's completely flat right now, right? But when it's in operation, this thing pops up, and that's how it uses the LiDAR, not only to map your house, but to navigate the house. And it will also release itself down flat, and it will also lay itself down flat when it's going under a low surface. Let's back it back up. Now, right in here, we've got the dust bag. This thing is going to automatically fill. When you pull this, it pulls itself shut, so that way you don't get a face full of dust. Here's your soap dispensers right in here, automatic dispensers. You've got A, your standard solution, and then you've got B, which is like your pet safe, pet friendly solution. You can customize those settings all in the app. And yes, it includes both when you buy the product. This goes back on super easy. And then under here, we have the dirty and the clean water tanks. It does dispense that detergent automatically. And again, you can customize in the app whether you want high soap, high water, low water, suction power, all of it. Clean water and dirty water tank. Here, let's go ahead and empty this. Okay, while we're at it, let's go ahead and empty the dirty water. Now, some of these robot vacuum systems will tell you that you can go 30 days without emptying this thing. That's not the case. And further, I would not recommend it. I used to leave the dirty water in my old ones because that's what they say to do. That's part of the marketing. But with this new Dreame X60, I've been emptying it every day, and it does not get stinky. All the other ones get stinky, and that's because you're leaving dirty mop water in there for days because it's out of sight, out of mind, right? So I've been emptying it every day, and it never stinks. Close that up. We'll go put it back. That goes right back in there. I'm telling you, they thought of everything on the details, even this. You see how the hinges, the dirty water are out here, and the clean water hinges is one in the center. So they fit together and maximize space. Love it. So thoughtful. Next big feature I love about this machine is the obstacle avoidance. This thing is so intelligent. This will not vacuum up a Lego. This will not vacuum up even a thin, like a phone cord. Nothing. It has the most intelligent obstacle avoidance I have seen on any of these models. And then last up for my top 4 features is dock automation. This dock does everything. It auto empties the vacuum. It washes the mop pads. It dries the mop pads. I'm serious. This thing will just take care of everything for you, so it's completely hands off. And if you wanted to avoid the dirty mop water for several days, you could, and it will tell you when the dirty mop water is full. It sends a notification to your phone by the app. I'm just telling you that I figured out that the dirty mop water inherently gets stinky in any machine that you use it in, and I've been emptying this every day because I want to keep my beautiful white machine nice. Now, just one minor drawback. I always try to find something that could be improved about the machine, and that's the size. That's the size of the dock. So I've got it next to my Wrinkle home composter. I could could talk about that all day long, but right now, focusing on this, it's actually not the biggest one that I've tested of the premium floor robots, but it does take up a decent amount of floor space. So you do have to make sure that you have a designated spot for it where it can live permanently. And honestly, the size of this thing is just the trade-off for how much automation you're getting. Now, if you're already shopping in the premium category and you're wanting something that genuinely feels like that next generation of robot vacuums, this is absolutely the most advanced one that I've personally tested. After 2 weeks of daily use, multiple times a day, I would absolutely recommend this one. If you want to check it out, I'll put the link right down here on the video. And this thing has so many more features that I could not possibly cover in one video, so I'll get to those next. And this thing has so many features that I couldn't possibly cover in one video, so I'll be sure to get to those soon.